myself and all the Kailashians offer our sincere, deep prayers to the Almighty Paramashiva to protect the world from this pandemic and all the impact, after effect of this pandemic, the cascading crises, whether joblessness or unemployment, psychological suffering, pandemic fatigue, economic crisis, hunger, diseases, deaths, depression, all these emotional turmoils, we pray to Almighty Paramashiva to protect the world from all these problems. I sincerely request all the decision makers, leaders, people who impact society. I request all of you, our first priority is to protect people from hunger and extreme poverty. Let us not allow people dying due to hunger and poverty. Surely we will all come out of this pralaya, this pandemic. If we allow people to die due to hunger and extreme poverty, we will not be able to forgive ourselves. So, I request all the decision makers, world leaders, people who really impact the world, please, let's all join hands and alleviate, remove poverty and hunger. Already the international organizations are predicting large number of deaths due to hunger. Anybody who survives this pandemic, this pralaya, all human beings who will be alive after this pralaya, this pandemic, we won't be able to forgive ourselves for letting people die due to hunger. Hunger deaths will haunt us forever. Let's not allow hunger deaths. I've decided to organize ourselves. See, we were providing services from Kailasa through various ways from 1994. That time, the Yoga Pattabhishekam was done to me. From that time, my gurus have ordained me every possible way. We are continuing the services for humanity. Now let us organize ourselves under the new names. So today I am inaugurating 6 organizations. We will organize all our activities and services under these 6 organizations. The first one will be Saffron Om, which will focus on working for world peace, conflict resolution, religious freedom. Under this 6 organization, we will be providing services all over the world in an organized way. As on now, all the Hindus are providing all over the world under various thousands of organizations. I should say even millions. Millions of organizations. I request all the Hindus, let's all organize ourselves under this banner and reach out to more and more people providing social services, intense, real, responsible charitable activities and relief works. I request all the Kailashians to take this message to the whole world with the names being introduced. Let us take time to introduce this 6 organization to all the Kailashians and the practicing Hindus today. Saffron Om, Red Om, Green Om, White Om, Yellow Om, Blue Om. Saffron Om will be working for world peace, conflict resolution from individual to the global level. Red Om will be working relief work, providing relief work, whether natural calamities or man-made calamities. And Green Om will be working for environmental protection. Blue Om will be working for animal rights. White Om will be working for psychological healing, spiritual counseling, giving the right understandings, powerful cognitions for people. Yellow Om will be working to provide all the Satvidya, yogic, Ayurvedic, medical solutions, knowledge to the whole world by celebrating Devaguru Brihaspati and the ultimate Adi Guru Dakshinamurti, Paramashiva himself. So under these 6 banners, let us organize ourselves, reach out to the world and provide all the best things we have to the whole world. To sign up, please send email to kailasa.org/global services. And Paramashiva Gana participants can take up this project. Actually, it is nothing but whatever we are already doing. We just need to organize ourselves and inspire more Hindus, practicing Hindus, living Hindus, and people all over the world to be part of this and reach out to the whole world, provide more services. I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam. The state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness, and Kailasa of Paramashiva, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.